Ambassador Fatima Goni, she happens to be a hard-working woman, a woman of substance, in which she was able, through her little earning she is making to sustain herself and her life, she was able to give out of her token of what she is able to possess within her reach, by going as far as to establish a foundation where it caters for the needy ones and the people, the vulnerable people in the society. Having said this, Ambassador Fatima Goni, due to her overzealous and dynamism to humanity services which she's been rendering for time immemorial, we, the good people of Yakanajie Emirate Kingdom, find it worthy and find her important to convert her with the prestigious traditional title of Gimbia Masarotan Yakanajie, not simply because she's pretty, she's too religious, or she's cognate to the society, no, but for her exemplary style of humanitarian activities and the kind of love, passion and affection she has for people around her. Not even so, you can see this is a woman that came all the way from the northeast, Dikwa to be precise, in Borno State, but she has spread her tentacles across the 36 states of Nigeria, including the FCT, which we, the good people of Nasarawa State, are part and parcel of beneficiaries of what she has been rendering to the services to humanity and the society in general, politically, morally, socially and otherwise. She has touched the life of people. She has made a lot of impact to people. Personally myself, due to the encounter I had with her, my kingdom or my emirate have recorded a lot of landmarks during the reign of Umaru Tanko Al-Makura, throughout the reign of 8 years of Umaru Tanko Al-Makura as the executive governor of Nasarawa State then, now a serving senator of the Federal Republic. She has made a lot of contribution towards the sustainable projection of its governance, for people to feel the impact at the grassroots. She has made a lot of input